So UX is defined as user experience. It's been a discipline that's been around for decades, but it's just recently really been applied to software design specifically. Everyone knows the tactile experience of how something feels in your hand, like a toothbrush or a potato peeler. We're providing a lot of that same science and discipline to how software feels to someone who's using it, whether it's a mobile device or a desktop application. It's the user's experience and the customer satisfaction that comes from using software.
So there's two types of designers at Asynchrony, right? We have ones that are kind of like siloed out. They can work away from their teams, and then we have the embedded ones. I've been on both sides of that equation, and I like both equally great. Being embedded with actual developers gives the designer a chance to understand what their pressures are, what they're undergoing, and starting to see your designs and your schematics come to life. There's nothing cooler than actually watching your application get launched for the first time and coming up on screen, and those are the guys that produce the magic to make that happen.
So being embedded really lets you see what's happening and whatever it is you're doing, whatever product or project you're working on, as opposed to just designing, then coming back, then designing, then coming back. So I think it's very important.
It's nice to come from a visual standpoint for myself, and they come from a very analytical standpoint, and so we come together to make something that's unique. And I think that's really cool because we challenge each other in ways that you really don't see very often.